Just a quick video to show the condition of the Ibea 420 16-inch self-propelled lawnmower. It's got a Honda engine, a Gcv135 4.5. It's got an alley deck, so it's in good clean condition. I changed the oil, I've cleaned the spark plug, I've sharpened the blade. I'll show you underneath. It's got the sharpened blade underneath. Ooh. So it's a nice clean lawnmower, self-propelled, and I shall try and start this one handed. So pull the handle in. Now with the throttle control, see the little red thing, just push it in and then it's down. You can pull it back, but it will wear and break, so it's easier like that. So Grassbox or bag, nice and clean. There's that bit in it just now. But the actual model number of this is an IB42378. So it's nice and clean, and because it's got a Honda engine, you know it's reliable.